Welcome back. This is CodeLytical from Ghana. In today's video, we are just going to demonstrate a simple online job application where employers can post their jobs and employees can also apply for the job. Okay, so without wasting much time, let's get straight to it. Okay, so this is the link, and I'll leave the link in the description below for anybody who wants to use this application or project for anything. Okay, so just copy, paste it here. All right. Okay, so I'm going to open the location to put this project. So I'm going to extract the work here. Okay, that's I'm going to cut, then go to C drive, XAMPP. Because I'm using XAMPP, so I'll go to the XAMPP folder, then look for htdocs. Then paste it here. Okay, so this is the work. This the system contains the document, the project itself, and we have the database, that is job portal. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is start my XAMPP. So this is my XAMPP. Click on start. Okay, then go to the system folder, look for constant. Then after that, I'm going to open the db_config. So this is the database name, that is job_portal. So I'm going to copy this. Then go to my browser, type localhost PHP MySQL. Okay, so I'm going to, I already have the job_portal here, so I'm going to delete it. Okay, so new, then the name of the, paste the database, that is job_portal. After that, I'll click create. Then I'll go to import, choose file. So you go to your C drive, your XAMPP, htdocs, then online job portal, database. So after that, I'll click go. Okay, so data import has been successfully finished. Okay, so this is the database. Okay, so I'll open a new tab, then type the localhost, then I'll go to my project folder, copy the name, paste it there. So I'll select the system. So this is the project. This is the project, that is 9 jobs. So we have the home. Home will display all the job that has been posted by the employers. So you can see that we have one job being posted by CodeLytical. Here's it, you can view it. So when you go to job list 2, you see all the listed jobs. You can search by categories, search by country. Then here's the employers. So you can see we have only one employer, that is CodeLytical. Then here is the employees. We don't have any employee registered. We have contact us. you can contact us using this form. So here, let's say an employer is coming. So now we have one job being listed, or one company being listed, that is CodeLytical. You can click on it and you can view the job posted by CodeLytical. That is, it is established in 2021, software company, that is people 11 to 10. This is their website. Okay, and the jobs offered at CodeLytical. We have technical engineer at CodeLytical. So this is it. Okay, so before an employer can post a job, they have to log in or register. So I'm logging in as a CodeLytical. Okay, so I can post a job. Okay, so here I'll use web developer. City Takrady, Ghana. So I'll select IT and telecoms expert, so 2 years. I want to copy this and use it. So okay, job type, so part-time. So after that, you click post job. Okay, 110 is left. Okay, so the closing date, so say 6th. (2021). Okay, so your job advertised has been posted successfully. So now if I go to home, I'm going to see two jobs here. These are the two jobs, the later jobs. We have the web developer and technical engineer. One is full-time and one is part-time. So here, employee can register as well. So as for employee, if you are coming to register, okay, so let's log out, then now register, then select the employee, register as employee. So name, let's say William Abomega. Then mail, I'm going to use nat.framer2. So password. So okay, so accounts created. Let me log in. Nat. Okay. Let me log in. Okay, so here I've logged in as employee. So here you can apply for a job. Okay, so you can upload your files, view your CV and other things. So you can go to job list. So this is the job list. You can view this job. This is it, and you can apply. Are you sure you want to apply this job? You cannot undo. Okay, so you have successfully applied this job. So you go to your profile, you make sure you fill your profile, your personal qualifications, your language. So you can add your qualifications, your country, name of the institution, course title, time frame. You can also add your language. then check the applied job. So this is the job you've applied. So that is it basically. This is a simple application, a job portal. So you can just play around this system, use it, change the code to suit how you want it to function. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and help us to grow. Hit the notification as well for future projects. Okay, thank you very much, and be expecting more videos.